Have you ever noticed when you go to swimming lessons that immediately you start working on all the movements, kicking, stroking, coordinating, all of the things. But very often what the body actually needs, what you actually need, adult, beginner, swimmer, is to stop fighting the water long enough to feel supported by it. Now, it makes sense that you do this, right? You're going to swimming lessons. You're going to activity lessons. You're going to do a thing. So, of course, your brain is like, we should be moving. But this is one of the biggest things that gets in the way of you actually progressing in your swimming because you miss the beginning steps. The beginning steps is really about breathing and allowing the water to hold you. Not making it hold you up like this, that you have to be flat and parallel to the surface. But how does the water simply hold you? When we get in with the frame of mind of I have to be doing something, I'm in a lesson about doing an action, you miss what the water does for you. You miss what's going on with your overactivated nervous system. Now you might think, oh gosh, but if I just slow down and focus on breathing and not doing very much, how am I ever going to learn? How am I ever going to get there? Let's go on a little side trip. If you were an astronaut going out to do a moonwalk, what would you need to do first? You'd need to know how to breathe. And it's not like you'd slam on the breathing outfit. You would actually, inside, in a training zone, you'd put the breathing outfit on, the astronaut suit on, whatever it's called. You put it on and you breathe. And your heart rate would be like, oh my gosh, how can I breathe when I'm all enclosed in this thing? And you'd learn to, I have to rest into this and trust how it is that I get air and that I am breathing and I know how to breathe. And now my nervous system is calmed down and understands this. Sometimes when we're sitting next to the pool, it's like you've just put this thing over your head that says, oh my gosh, I don't know how to breathe. And the truth is, you do. But we have to connect with that first. If you were an astronaut and you wanted to step out to where there's no gravity, you wouldn't just fling yourself out there and start moving and running around in this big bulky suit. No, you would do one little bit at a time. You would anchor yourself for sure and be tethered to be able to test, how did this no gravity situation work? Same with being in the pool. How does this buoyancy situation work? You're not going from playing soccer to playing tennis, where the environment is the same. You have a whole new environment. So before you start saying arms and legs, calm the nervous system. Focus on my breathing and how does the water hold me? You've got this. Aloha.